Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our Toyota Sienna rear entry mobility van. This, like most of our vans, it's a manual rear entry ramp and door. Very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. This particular one has a clip here. I can pull it out. It's spring assisted, very easy to do. I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. 800-pound weight capacity, 56 inches of headroom coming inside the door. Got your spare tire over there. It has 8 different tie down points. That's what these little ovals are. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. These seats, these jump seats in the middle, they have 29.5 inches of room between them. So plenty of room to squeeze most wheelchairs all the way to the front. Very clean interior inside. It's very clean inside now. It has the rear air controls. The dash looks great. It's got the dual climate control and rear air controls. Plenty of cup holders. Very nice, very clean. So when you get your passengers inside all ratcheted down and ready to go, come back out. Look here, one finger. That's all I got on that. Give it a slam. Give that one a slam. You're ready to roll. I'm going to do a walk around to this van. It's got the alloy wheels. All the tires have quite a bit of tread left on them. They're not brand new, but they got a lot of tread left on them. Very clean van. Hard to find a dent or scratch on this thing. I'm not saying it's perfect, but I'm saying it's very, very good condition. We can recondition all of our vehicles. We want them all to look very nice and very clean. And of course, to perform mechanic-wise when they leave our possession, we want them to be good quality running vehicles. As far as the interior, I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. These back seats look like they've hardly ever been sat in. Very clean. I'll flash you the VIN number there. Always important to see the VIN number of the vehicle you're buying, especially if you're going to buy online. A lot of crazy people out there doing some crazy things, so always get a picture of that VIN number, know exactly what you're buying. Always get yourself a video too. It does have keyless entry. Has one key. We can make a second one at your cost if you'd like. They're about $199. Go to fire up the van. 66,541 are the miles. No check engine lights on, no dummy lights, nothing like that. The AC works, thank God, because it's like 98 degrees today. I'm out sweating my behind off, but I wanted to get this video made. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a Toyota 3.5 V6. Very clean. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. This is exactly what we want. We do inspect these vehicles before we buy. As I crawl down on the ground, that cement is hot. Underneath the vehicle, as you can see, no water damage, no frame damage, no signs of any leaks. That's the air conditioner dripping right there. You know, and no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video. If someone's going to sell you a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 van or more, and they won't make a video for you, they won't crawl underneath, and that's who you buying from and what are they selling you. That's the number one mistake people make when they're buying a vehicle, whether it be a van or a standard vehicle, is they assume because the pictures were nice, they assume because the salesman was super kind to them, they assume it's a good van. That is not always, that's often rarely the truth. Get you a video, demand a video. If they won't make a video, I'm telling you the same thing I tell my mother. Do not buy from them. So let's shut the hood, let's get this on the highway. I want you to hear it run. Okay, last portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive. So whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or you come in and drive this van home, you know that we've made sure this van is roadworthy. I'm going to give some acceleration. You can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift. You can see that it drives nice and straight down the highway. We've got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. You can see we're up to about 65, 66 miles an hour. And folks, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. I want you to compare them to us. You got to make the best decision for you and your family. Look at their Better Business Bureau rating. If they don't have an A+ rating like we do, you know, especially if they have a sketchy rating, why are you shopping with them? If they have a Google rating, ours is very high. A lot of people had great things to say about us. Please check us out on a Google. Look at their Google ratings. You know, if they have trouble, if they have ratings that people are saying bad things about them, buying a car is difficult enough, you know, to find one, or a mobility van in this case. Don't buy one from some sketchy people. You're going to have problems afterwards as well. Buy from a good dealer with a good reputation. And I'm out here making these videos. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I don't want to be hiding anything from you. I've been doing this 8 years. I've never had anybody call me and say, Jeremiah, this is not what I was expecting. It's always, this is exactly what I was expecting. This is exactly what I wanted. So, like I said, demand video. I'm going to give it a hard brake. No grinding. No squeaking. No unusual brake noise. So I believe whether you're going to use this van for your business or for your family, if this van is taken care of, I believe you'll have many, many years and many miles left to come. And as you're comparing this back to the other dealers or other competition, I'm out here, it's 100 degrees out, I'm laying on the cement. I'm not doing this because I like to. I'm doing this because I want you to know what you're getting. I'm not going to send you a few pictures and say, oh, here's your van. I'm going to go the extra mile, just like I do reconditioning these vans, just like I do making sure that you're getting a good deal, just like I do shipping this van to you for free, because I'm the owner of the company. I care about this company. I'm not a used car salesman. A lot of those used car salesmen that you're talking with right now, they won't even be working there in a month or two. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't care if you hear the truth. They want that commission check. I'm going to sell this van whether you buy it or not. I'm going to get that commission check eventually. I am not a used car salesman. I am the owner, and that's the difference between dealing with the owner and dealing with a salesperson. So keep that in mind as well. We do not have any hidden administrative fees, no hidden document fees, no hidden tag fees. I don't do business like that on our mobility vans. If someone's going to hide money from you, and they don't tell you about certain fees until you get there, until it's time to check out, what else are they hiding from you? Don't do business with people that are going to hide things from you. Do business with people that are upfront, that they're honest, that they want you to know everything about the van, everything about the deal. That's who you should do business with. So if you ever want to check out our inventory, look us up, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. My name again is Jeremiah. Give us a call anytime, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. If you're ever going to come out, please make an appointment with me. I'm busy doing things like this. I know your time's valuable. I don't want to miss you. Make an appointment with me. If you're more of a texter, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Try to get the owner's cell phone number of one of those big companies. See if they care about you that much. Or do they just care about turning a profit? That's for you to decide. We do have financing available. We can send you an application to your email. We can send you an application to your phone. Or we can take one over the phone if that's easier for you. So as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.